Coming back once again to the EnCycLEd platform homepage, you can also go to the Resources section, and here you will be finding a searchable repository of different type of resources that have been curated by us. Some of these are connected directly to specific modules, and you would have seen them earlier in this part. Let me show you briefly. So for example, under module 1, resources, you find them here, but also you find them in the resources repository. But besides this, there are also numerous other very interesting resources that have been developed and are available across Europe through the contribution of different other projects, initiatives, and organizations. And we have curated and categorized this according to the resource type, their targeting of vocational education and training, as well as according to the language, the age group, the target age group, or the theme that is covered. So you can find, for example, various articles, comics, courses, games, massive online open courses, or different other literature. All these, you can find them by scrolling in the entirety of this resource repository, or you can just take, for example, the comics, and you will see that we have already uploaded 3 comics. 2 of them are also available in Maltese. They are coming from a Maltese source organization, and we also have the comic booklet that was developed by us, and it's part of module 2. If you choose a game, you will be also finding various other game resources suitable for different age groups. You see, some are suitable for both 10 to 14 and 15 to 18. Some are only for 15 to 18. Some are only for 10 to 14. Some are only in Ukrainian. Others are only in English, and so on and so forth. Some are in German. So the resource repository is your go-to place for additional resources that you can share then with your students. Another section within the platform that is really interesting and useful is the glossary. So here, when you go into the dedicated section, you can find all the different terms that are used across the educational modules categorized in alphabetical order. And each and every of this term, when you click on it, you find an overall description, some references to more information, and you can download the term, a sheet explaining the term in English, Ukrainian, and there will be obviously also available others in Greek, German, and Maltese. This is obviously still under development at our end as we are recording, so more is going to be uploaded soon. Another section of the platform is called links, and this is providing, according to the title, just the links to different other resources very relevant and sites very relevant of organization active in the field. For example, to the European Cybersecurity Organization, the Safer Internet Centers Network, and when you click on the link, you will find information about the very specific organizations that are part of this network, for example, in Austria, Greece, Germany, Malta, and Ukraine. You can find also more information and the link to the Women for Cyber Foundation, to the European Repository of Cyber Incidents, Europoc, to the ENISA vulnerability database at its general site, Better Internet for Kids portal that is offering a host of other information and resources for teachers that are interested in guiding their students towards safer and more secure use of the internet and of the cyberspace. We definitely hope that you will make best use of these resources and wish you all the best in your pedagogical pursuits.